got a package from Louis Vuitton this afternoon, and I'm so excited to be unboxing it with you guys. I have never seen this item in person at all. I've never held it in my hands, and this is a true unboxing because I've not opened this package at all. So I want to unbox it with you guys. We are gonna unpack it, we're gonna inspect it together to make sure that I don't need to exchange it or return it, which I really hope I don't because it was so hard for me to find this item. And then at the end, I'm gonna tell you how I got my hands on this beautiful piece in case you guys are looking for it for yourself. And honestly, last time I was this excited to be unboxing something was the time when I unboxed my Louis Vuitton Speedy Nano, which by the way, if you have not seen that video, I highly encourage you to check it out. I will leave a link to it up here as well as in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to it. Like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I would also love to hear what kind of other videos you guys want me to do. It's just, I love interacting with all of you, so it's gonna mean a world to me if you would consider subscribing and staying connected with me. Now, without further ado, let's get into unboxing this piece right away because I can hardly wait. You can tell it's not a very big item. This is, I guess, my receipt and everything. I'm just gonna open it really quickly to make sure that that's what it is. And that's exactly what it is. It's my receipt as well as the return label. So I'm gonna set that aside. And just by looking at the box, I can already tell that there is no ribbon or anything like that. They just put it in the box and just left it there for me. So I guess that's kind of sad, but it's okay, not a big deal, because I'm really excited to see what's inside. So here it is, you guys. It's the moment that I have been waiting for. I waited for so long to get my hands on this item, and I really can't wait to open it. So that's what it looks like on the inside. So I'm sure you guys can tell it's a very small item. And I want you guys to guess and tell me what you think may be inside this box. So just pause this video and let me know in the comment box down below what you guys think could be inside this package. So hopefully all of you commented down below and put your guesses. Now I'll go ahead and open the dust bag. And I guess this is where my ribbon and the little card is. So here is the box on the side, and here is my item, and I really hope it's the one that I have ordered. There it is, you guys. There it is. So I ordered a mini Pochette in the Damier Ebene canvas, and I'm gonna take my time to just kind of absorb and look around because I have not seen this item in person ever. This is just my first time ever seeing this piece in real life, and I'm so excited. So here's my mini Pochette up close. As you can see, it's in the Damier Ebene canvas, and please excuse my nails for this video, you guys. I have to go back and get them filled. But coming back to the mini Pochette, it's in the Damier Ebene canvas, and it does say Louis Vuitton Paris in the middle square over here, and then same thing at the back here. Here is the zipper, which is super duper shiny, and so is the lobster clasp. I really love that. And then the zipper is super shiny and super smooth, which opens up to a gorgeous red interior. And let me turn on my light here so that you guys can see it better. So there it is. So here's the light on, and you can see a gorgeous red interior. I just really love red against the green print. I think it just looks super gorgeous. And then I've got my textile card on the inside, and if you're interested in what it looks like, then that's what it is. And yeah, so this is basically my mini pochette in a nutshell, and I forgot to show you the stitching, but that's what basically it looks like on the side. And then this is the bottom, and then this is the other side. And let me show you where this piece was made. So my piece was made in France. So here's the stamp where it says made in France. Hopefully the camera picks it up just correctly, but I just love made in France pieces, and I'm glad that I got made in France. But yeah, this is basically my mini pochette in a nutshell. Now that we're done looking through the quality and inspecting of this piece, I want to tell you a little bit about how I got my hands on it. So it was earlier this year that I really started to hunt down this piece, and I told my SA to keep an eye on it for me when it comes to the store. And I was also checking the website here and there all the time, but it was just really not available. And I have mentioned several times on my channel before that during Christmas time, Louis Vuitton always brings their stock up, and that's when it's the perfect time to get a lot of these hard to find pieces. And that's exactly what happened this time as well. Last year around Christmas time is when I was able to get my Cles, and this year I was able to get this one. So basically what had happened is recently I had started seeing this become available so many times on the website. And I'm not gonna lie, I ordered it twice before, just recently in the past 2 weeks, and both the times my orders got canceled, and I was so frustrated. I was really angry because they don't really tell you why your order is being canceled. You just get an email saying your order is canceled, and then you just don't understand why it was canceled. But anyway, so twice in the past 2 weeks my orders got canceled, and then third time I placed an order, and I was thinking that this time it would get canceled again, and unfortunately, fortunately, it didn't get canceled, and the order went through and I got it. So the tip for today, if you guys are looking for this item, is to keep an eye out for it. This is just the perfect time. It's the Christmas time, and like I've mentioned 1,000 times before on my channel, that Louis Vuitton really does bring their stock up during Christmas time. So just keep checking it over and over again. Even after ordering this, in a couple of days I've seen this pop up so many times, and not just this one, I've seen so many other hard to find items pop up and become available to be ordered. So keep an eye out for it, and if you're looking for this item, I wish you all the best, and I hope you get yours very soon. That does it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As usual, I enjoy talking to you guys, and if you guys have any other questions about how to get it, or if you guys have any other tips for me, then leave it in the comment box down below. I love to hear from you guys, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys now in my video, another video very soon. I really can't wait. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.